Welcome to our channel. We are glad you have taken the time to visit us today. Picture a common household item, one that's been sitting quietly in your pantry or fridge, waiting to be discovered for the powerhouse it truly is. Yes, we're talking about baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate. This humble white powder is much more than an essential baking ingredient. It's a gentle abrasive, a deodorizer, a cleanser, and a potent health ally. Its alkaline properties make it a formidable opponent against acids, making it a go-to remedy for heartburn, skin irritation, and even bad breath. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. The benefits of baking soda extend far beyond the kitchen and bathroom, reaching into the realms of overall health and wellness. Intrigued? We thought you might be. Stay tuned as we dive into the top health benefits of this versatile household staple. Firstly, baking soda is known for its antacid properties. This humble kitchen ingredient, often relegated to the back of the pantry, is a versatile powerhouse when it comes to health benefits. The most recognized of these is its ability to neutralize stomach acid. So, how does this work? Well, baking soda is alkaline in nature, meaning it can counteract the effects of acid. When you're experiencing heartburn, acid reflux, or indigestion, it's usually because your stomach acid is causing discomfort by rising up into your esophagus. By drinking a solution of baking soda and water, the alkalinity of baking soda can neutralize this acid, offering relief from these discomforting symptoms. Now let's pivot to another common issue that baking soda can alleviate: urinary tract infections, or UTIs. These infections can cause a burning sensation during urination, a need to urinate frequently, and even lower abdominal pain. They occur when bacteria enters the urinary tract, and they can be quite uncomfortable. But here's where baking soda comes to the rescue again. Drinking a solution of water and baking soda can make the urine less acidic. This can potentially minimize the growth of the bacteria causing the infection, and can also help to ease that burning sensation during urination that's common with UTIs. It's important to note that while baking soda can help alleviate the symptoms of a UTI, it's not a cure. If you suspect you have a UTI, you should always seek medical attention, as untreated UTIs can lead to more serious complications. However, baking soda can be used alongside prescribed treatments to help manage symptoms. So the next time you're suffering from heartburn or a UTI, you might want to reach for the baking soda. It's an affordable, natural, and effective way to manage the symptoms of these common ailments right from the comfort of your own home. But remember, always consult with a healthcare professional for specific medical advice or concerns. Baking soda is a powerful tool, but it's not a replacement for professional medical advice. Moving on, baking soda is also a natural deodorizer and gentle exfoliant. Let's delve deeper into these fascinating aspects. Imagine this: you've just come home after a long day and you're greeted by an unpleasant smell. It might be from the trash, the refrigerator, or even your shoes. Well, worry no more. Baking soda, with its absorbing powers, comes to the rescue. This modest white powder is incredibly adept at neutralizing odors. It doesn't just mask the unpleasant smell, it absorbs and neutralizes it. So, by simply sprinkling some baking soda in the offending area, you can restore freshness to your home. Now let's turn our attention to another incredible use of baking soda. As a gentle skin exfoliant. Our skin naturally sheds dead cells, but sometimes it needs a little assistance. And that's where baking soda steps in. It's a gentle abrasive, making it perfect for exfoliating. When combined with water, it forms a paste that can help remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. The result? Smooth, radiant skin. But here's a word of caution. While baking soda is a natural exfoliant, it's essential to use it sparingly. Its alkaline nature can disrupt the skin's pH balance if used excessively. So, limit your baking soda exfoliating sessions to once or twice a week, and always follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. In essence, baking soda is a powerhouse of benefits. Its role as a natural deodorizer and gentle exfoliant bears testament to its versatility. But remember, as with all things, moderation is key. Overuse can lead to skin irritation and dryness. So, use wisely and enjoy the benefits. With baking soda, you can keep your home and skin fresh and clean. And the best part, it's affordable and readily available. So, the next time you're battling odors or dull skin, remember this humble kitchen ingredient. It might just be the solution you're looking for. Stay tuned as we explore more ways in which baking soda can contribute to your health and well-being. You'll be surprised at just how versatile this common household item can be. Baking soda is also beneficial for relieving itching and irritation, whitening teeth, and soothing sore throats. Let's start with how baking soda can come to your rescue when you're dealing with itching and skin irritation. The anti-inflammatory properties of this humble pantry staple can be harnessed to alleviate discomfort caused by insect bites, rashes, and sunburns. A simple paste made from baking soda and water applied to the affected area can provide quick relief. This is due to its alkaline nature, which helps neutralize the irritants causing the itchiness. So next time you're battling an itch, you might want to reach for the baking soda. Now, let's move on to another interesting use of baking soda as a natural teeth whitener. You've probably seen fancy teeth whitening products on the market, but did you know that baking soda can offer a natural and affordable alternative? Baking soda is mildly abrasive, which allows it to gently scrub away surface stains on your teeth. Just mix a small amount with water to make a paste, brush it onto your teeth, and let it sit for a couple of minutes before rinsing. With consistent use, you can expect a brighter and whiter smile. Finally, we come to the soothing properties of baking soda for sore throats. A sore throat can be a real pain, but gargling with a baking soda solution can offer some relief. The baking soda helps to kill off throat-irritating bacteria and neutralize acidity, thereby reducing inflammation and easing discomfort. Just dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water and gargle the mixture a few times a day until your throat feels better. Clearly, baking soda has a lot of potential uses in your daily health regimen. So the next time you're dealing with an itchy rash, stained teeth, or a sore throat, remember that the solution might be sitting right there in your kitchen cabinet. From itch relief to teeth whitening and soothing sore throats, baking soda truly is a versatile and valuable ally in health and wellness. Let's not forget about foot care, body alkalization, and skin condition relief. After a long day, our feet surely deserve some pampering. Baking soda can be a key player in your foot care routine. Just add a few tablespoons of baking soda to warm water for a soothing foot soak. This not only softens the skin but also neutralizes foot odor. So, next time your feet are in need of some TLC, remember the humble baking soda. Now, let's talk about alkalizing the body. Our body functions best when it's in a balanced state, and that includes our pH levels. An overly acidic body can lead to various health problems. Baking soda, with its alkaline properties, can help balance the body's pH levels by neutralizing acidity. This can support overall health and potentially reduce the risk of certain diseases. Moving on to skin conditions, baking soda might be the relief you've been searching for. Conditions like eczema and psoriasis can cause a lot of discomforts, not to mention the impact on one's confidence. Baking soda, with its anti-inflammatory properties, can help alleviate these conditions. It reduces inflammation and itching, providing much-needed comfort. A simple paste of baking soda and water applied to the affected area can do wonders. However, it's important to remember that everyone's skin is different. What works for one person might not work for another. So it's always a good idea to do a patch test first or consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new treatment. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is more than just a baking ingredient. It's a versatile, affordable, and multi-purpose household staple. From foot care to body alkalization to relieving skin conditions, it's got you covered. With so many uses, it's no wonder baking soda is a household staple. And there are even more health benefits of baking soda. Its antifungal properties can be a lifesaver, treating conditions like athlete's foot and toenail fungus. It also aids in digestion, promoting the release of digestive enzymes and reducing bloating and gas. And if you've ever had a run-in with poison ivy or poison oak, you'll be glad to know that a paste of baking soda and water can dry out blisters and reduce itching. Plus, it can be a natural alternative to deodorant, neutralizing odor-causing bacteria on the skin. And perhaps most interestingly, some research suggests that baking soda may even assist in kidney health by reducing inflammation and acidity in the body. But as always, it's important to use baking soda in appropriate amounts and consult with a healthcare professional for specific medical advice or concerns. Thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to the channel. It's free of charge, and if you find value in our content, please share and remember to click the notification bell for future videos.